Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the spotlight shines on a truly delightful gadget that promises to bring retro charm and organization to any space. The Airmall Omega S Embossing Label Maker. This isn't just any label maker. It's a 3D handheld device designed to create those wonderfully tactile, raised labels many remember fondly. Upon first glance, its compact and ergonomic design is immediately noticeable. It fits comfortably in the hand, making it incredibly portable and easy to maneuver around the house, school, or kitchen. The build quality feels sturdy enough for everyday use, suggesting it can withstand the occasional bump. Its simplicity is a major selling point. There are no complicated menus or digital screens. The operation is purely mechanical, adding to its charm and making it intuitive for anyone to pick up and start using right away. The core appeal of the Airmall Omega S lies in its embossing capability. Instead of flat, printed labels, this machine presses letters and numbers into durable plastic tape, creating a distinct 3D effect. This not only looks fantastic, but also provides a tactile element, making labels easy to read and identify, even in low light. Imagine organizing spice jars, labeling storage bins, or personalizing school supplies with these unique, raised letters. The possibilities for bringing order and personality to one's surroundings are vast. A significant advantage of this model is the generous inclusion of 16 color rolls. This variety is a game changer, allowing for color coding different categories or simply matching labels to various items and rooms. One can easily switch between vibrant reds, cool blues, classic blacks, and many other shades, adding another layer of customization. The rolls are straightforward to load, ensuring creative flow isn't interrupted. Using the Airmall Omega S is a satisfying experience. One simply dials the desired character, squeezes the handle to emboss, and then uses the integrated cutting mechanism to snip the label. The click-and-press action is surprisingly therapeutic, and the immediate gratification of seeing a perfectly embossed label emerge is quite addictive. It's a manual process that encourages mindful creation, a refreshing change from the often digital world. While the product description mentions thermal printing technology, it's important to note that for an embossing label maker like the Omega S, the process is mechanical, physically pressing characters into the tape. This device delivers true 3D embossed labels, which is its primary and most appealing feature. For anyone looking to add vintage flair, practical organization, and a fun, hands-on approach to labeling, the Airmall Omega S Embossing Label Maker is an excellent choice. It's a tool that combines functionality with a delightful user experience, making everyday tasks more enjoyable and organized. It truly stands out as a simple yet effective solution for a myriad of labeling needs around the home, school, and kitchen.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.